Crypto Daybook Americas, SUI, STX Outperform as Bitcoin whales position for gains. Your day ahead look for April 25, 2025. You are viewing Crypto Daybook Americas, your new morning briefing on what happened in the crypto markets overnight and what's expected during the coming day. Crypto Daybook Americas will arrive in your inbox at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to kickstart your morning with comprehensive insights. If you're not already subscribed, click here. You won't want to start your day without it. By Omkar Godbole, all times ET unless indicated otherwise. Bitcoin, BTC, is taking a breather near $94,000, having dropped to $92,000 in the past 2 days. The cryptocurrency chalked out a bullish breakout above key resistance early this week, shifting focus to the $100,000 level and leaving major altcoins like XRP, ETH, SOL, ADA, and DOGE behind. However, smaller coins like STX, SUI, ONDO and GRT put in double-digit gains in the past 24 hours, outperforming both BTC and the wider market. The CoinDesk 20 index, CD20, has gained about 3%. BTC's $20,000 surge since April 7th has been underpinned by increased on-chain accumulation by whales and significant inflows through spot ETFs, with the 11 U.S.-listed funds amassing almost $1.5 billion in net inflows over the past 3 days, according to Farside Investors. Market gains have been bolstered by policy developments in the U.S. late Thursday. The Federal Reserve lifted its restrictive crypto guidance, saying state member banks no longer need to provide advance notice before engaging in crypto-related activities. Market internals currently suggest a consolidation phase. Our base case projects accumulation between $90,000 and $95,000, with potential pullbacks to $87,000, ahead of a possible breakout toward $100,000 or more in the coming weeks, said Valentine Fournier, the lead research analyst at BRN. QCP Capital echoed the sentiment, noting that a decisive catalyst is needed to push prices above $100,000. Later today, the University of Michigan will publish its final survey-based inflation expectations report for April. President Donald Trump's trade war has stoked Main Street inflation concerns, so the report is likely to show an increase. The market, however, likely priced in those fears early this month and is probably focusing on next week's U.S. jobs data. The next big chapter here will be whether all this volatility has hit real-world decisions, especially in the U.S. jobs market. There is plenty of U.S. jobs data released next week, and any deterioration here could trigger another round of dollar losses, albeit a more benign dollar decline on the view that the Federal Reserve would be riding to the rescue after all, ING said. In terms of Fed pricing, the market now seems comfortable to price the first cut in July, potentially once we all know whether the 90-day pause in Liberation Day tariffs is temporary or longer-lasting. It said, "Stay alert. CoinDesk's consensus is taking place in Toronto on May 14th to 16th. Use code DAYBOK and save 15% on passes." By Shoria Malva. Spot BTC ETFs. Spot ETH ETFs. Source, Farside Investors. Omkar Godbole is a co-managing editor on CoinDesk's markets team based in Mumbai, holds a master's degree in finance and a chartered market technician, CMT member. Omkar previously worked at FX Street, writing research on currency markets and as fundamental analyst at Currency and Commodities Desk at Mumbai-based brokerage houses. Omkar holds small amounts of Bitcoin, Ether, BitTorrent, Tron, and DOT. Shoria is the co-leader of the CoinDesk tokens and data team in Asia with a focus on crypto derivatives, DeFi, market microstructure, and protocol analysis. Shoria holds over $1,000 in BTC, ETH, SOL, AVAX, Sushi, CRV, NEAR, YFI, YFII, SHIB, DOGE, USDT, USDC, BNB, MANA, MLN, Link, XMR, ALGO, VET, Cake, AAVE, Comp, Rook, TRX, SNX, Rune, FTM, ZIL, KSM, ENJ, CKB, Joe, GHST, PERP, BTRFLY, OHM, Banana, Rome, Burger, Spirit, and ORCA. He provides over $1,000 to liquidity pools on Compound, Curve, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, BurgerSwap, Orca, AnySwap, SpiritSwap, Rook Protocol, Yearn Finance, Synthetics, Harvest, Redacted Cartel, Olympus DAO, Rome, Trader Joe, and Sun. Jamie has been part of CoinDesk's news team since February 2021, focusing on breaking news, Bitcoin tech and protocols, and crypto VC. He holds BTC, ETH, and DOGE.